Hello. Today, one new problem is occur. Your connection is not private, and many people will face this kind of problem when they want to open cPanel. How it is fixed? Here, one option, uh, advance. Okay, click this, and next click process to cpanel dot my website name. Okay, and save. Click this one and continue. And see, open my cpanel. Means this problem is fixed out. Okay, this way you can fix your problem. Your connection is not private. Okay, and access the file manager. Okay, my file manager is open. Okay, all is right. Thank you.